and welcome back. So today I am barefaced. I am ready to give you guys the unboxing of the Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of September. As we all kind of know by now, or at least we should know, this is the premium box, so it does come in at 35 bucks, and it is supposed to have 6 to 7 full-size items with a box value of at least 175 bucks. So that is the deets about this one. And I did already take a little sneak peek inside this box just so I knew what to start with for my face. Spoiler alert, it was nothing. So let's just dive into this box, and I'm actually gonna get started with 2 items that I'm not able to try on right now. So I'm gonna grab this one first. So this is the Kitschy Ice Roller, and I'm actually not gonna open this one. It's got tape on both sides. I'm gonna leave it completely sealed because I already have an ice roller and I don't need 2 of them. So I'm gonna save this one for a giveaway, and I'll just kind of show you guys this one. So this is what an ice roller is. I got it in my FabFitFun box because it's actually got a lot of uses I didn't know about. And just to name a few, I'm gonna name a few off this list because it's actually a really good list on the box here. So it helps to depuff, calms inflammation and redness. It can aid in firming of the skin, promote healthy blood circulation, lymphatic drainage. It can also help with sore muscles, tension, headaches. So an ice roller has definitely got a lot of different uses. So definitely a really cool product for them to put inside of the Boxycharm box. And then the second product that I can't really test out right now, I'm gonna have to test out later. This is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. It is a overnight treatment, so that's why I'm not testing it out right now. Oh, wow, this is a long list of directions. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Actually, I think this is meant for like all of their products because it's got different things for the facial oil, moisturizing boost, vitamin C cream, and different things. Okay, so I think this is a general one put into multiple boxes. That relieves me a little bit because I was like, oh my god, there was a lot of information there. But anyways, here's a look at the bottle. It looks like it's just a regular dropper. And it says you just warm a few drops of the Brilliance facial oil between your hands, smooth over cleansed face and neck primarily at night for maximum effect. And for maximum benefit, use as an overnight treatment. Can it even be added into your foundation? I don't know if I would trust that though. I am extremely oily, and adding oil to my foundation is not necessarily something I want to try. But that is a good tip maybe if you are a little bit drier skinned. I think I'll stick to using that as an overnight treatment. Okay, but now we can start diving into stuff that we can actually start putting on the face and trying on. First up for that, well, I guess technically third in the box if you want to get technical about it, but this is the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. Fat with a PH. Who here, by show of hands, remembers Baby Fat, the brand? Is that still a brand even, or did she shut that down? I always think of that when I see fat with a PH. It is a glow facial. Ooh, got a little pump there. So it's got PHAs in it to help retexturize, target fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and pores. I like the pores bit. It's also supposed to hydrate, to reveal smoother, more luminous skin. Okay, I have pre-cleansed the skin, so I'm ready in that department. Wow, it's got an interesting color to it. Okay. Oh, dang it, I forgot to put my hair back. Let me see if this will work. One-handed. I did it! Okay, so we start with applying a even layer to the skin. Oh, it smells good. I'm gonna need a tiny bit more. And then you just massage it till it transforms to white. I'm guessing like this. Like this beard I got going on. I guess that is good enough. Now let's set myself a 15-minute timer. Boom, I'll be back in 15 minutes. Oh, our magical timer just went off. It's been 15 minutes. Oh, let me get a damp washcloth. So let's just start removing it. And then that is all it really is to it. My face is feeling really nice and soft. But now I'm gonna pop off off camera once more and apply the face base because we have no face base products inside of the box. So I'll be back in just a second. Base has been applied. I am ready for the next couple products, which we got 3 left in the box. And I'm thinking I wanna go with some eyes here. So we got this brand new palette, which I don't know about you guys, but I totally thought that this was gonna be Juvia's Place. Doesn't it look like her style, kind of imagery? This is the Queen palette by Eloise. So it's a different beauty brand, and I just kind of want to show you guys because I do have a Juvia's Place palette here. So this is Juvia's. I don't know, it just gave me very similar kind of vibes. So at first I was about to tell you guys it's a new Juvia's Place palette, but it's not. So let's take a look at this palette here. Oh, got a lot of shades in there. Looks like we got 20 shades with a bunch of different formulas. I think we have to swatch this out so we can see all this. I'm hoping I can make it fit in one go. Holy moly, those are some pretty looking colors. And there is definitely a lot of different formulas in here. So there are 8 mattes, 6 shimmers. They say 1 is a pearl, 4 metallic, and 1's a duochrome topper. So a lot of different formulas to play with here. So many options for today's look. I don't even know where I want to begin. What do I want to go for? Do I want to go for something really fun and bold? More neutral? Pink, purple, blue? I don't know. Okay, thinking about it, I think the last couple try-ons I did, I played it very safe, so I think I need to venture into some color. I think I have to. But I am gonna start off with kind of a safe transition. I'm gonna go in with the Sheba up top here, just as the transition color right up top. Let's take a big fluffy brush and just work that into the crease. So I can lay base for the bold colors. No clue what I'm gonna do. I am totally gonna wing it as I go through this. I feel like that's how I do most of my eye looks. I'm just like, I start with one color and then go from there. All right, base has been laid. Ooh, before I forget, I'm gonna plop some powder down since I am gonna be going bold here. I need my safety shield. That way any fallout, I can just whisk it away. Okay, I look insane, but it works. Okay, so now comes an important question. Do I wanna go pink or do I wanna go purple? This pink right here is screaming to me. I think I have to go for it. The shade Elizabeth, you will be tested out. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it on my Lexi mini tapered and just try to work that in to the crease. See how she does. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Do I want to take it one step further with the pink? Do I want to go with the Empress over there? Maybe I want to. We'll just take a little bit of this, kind of see how she does. I'm gonna take it on my Morphe N519 brush. And this one I'll keep a little bit more towards the outer V part. And I'll take a little bit of it into the crease. I'm gonna pair it with, had it upside down, the shade Majesty. Very dark purple color. I'll work this into the outer V with my, I don't know what this one is. It's an Ipsy brush that they did with their Tetris collab. It's a really nice fluffy little brush. I think I'm gonna leave it there. Let's do a all over the lid color, which going this bold, I need to go with something a little bit lighter. I think I'm gonna take the shade up here, Empire, all over the lid. I'm debating if I want to do a cut crease with this or if that's too much. I don't know. I think I might. You know what? I was about to go for it and then I was like, eh. Just a quick one, just a quick crease, if there's such a thing. Just a little bit of concealer, back of the hand. We'll just do a super quick cut. If this were just some normal average everyday look, I would not cut the crease, but this is definitely not your average everyday look. All right, cut crease is on. Let's take that one shade, Empire, and plop that all over where we cut the crease. There we go, I love it. Just need to do some quick touch-ups of the purple and the pink along the edges though, just blend it all in. And this right here is the look. Oh, before we pop on lashes and mascara, I do have one item that can go on right now. So this is our 5th product in the box. It is some Marc Jacobs. This is the Eyeliner, liquid gel eyeliner. It's got the little felt tip in here and you just dip it back and forth. This is my first time trying this version of the eyeliner. I have gotten the Marc Jacobs, what is it, the gel pencil. That one's actually a very creamy, smooth formula. It's a good formula. I don't like the pencils, but the formula of that one is really good. So I have high hopes for this guy here. Hopefully it's nice. So I'm just gonna create a wing to go with this look. All right, I try to keep it as small of a wing as possible. Just gonna fan dry it really quickly before I open up my eyes so that liquid doesn't get stuck to the top, because it does seem like it's a very liquidy formula. With my eyes half closed, I'm gonna whisk away the bake too. Which I'm glad I did that because there was a little bit of fallout. And now we just have one more product in the box, which is not lashes or mascara, so let me pop that on super fast. Well, I just decided to go for it today. I went for the biggest lashes I got. Oh man. I haven't worn these massive of lashes since the whole quarantine thing started, so I'm looking at myself like, whoa, who is she? But anyways, we got one more product in the box here, and we actually got another Marc Jacobs product. This time we got the Enamored High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer. And I got the shade French Tickler. And it looks like it's just gonna be a nice sheer, kind of pink toned, sparkly gloss. Which kind of works out for this whole eye look. I didn't really want anything too bold. I might plop on a little bit of a lip liner. Let me use this one. I'm gonna use my NYX Sandstorm Lip Liner. That way the lips get a little bit of an outline. And let's plop this one on top. That was it, you guys. That was the very last product inside our Boxycharm Premium Box. Man, I do so much stuff with my hands sometimes. So let's see here. We ended up getting a super fun palette. We got the Marc Jacobs lip gloss. Where's the rest of it? I have a mess on my desk. Marc Jacobs liquid liner, the facial oil I need to try out tonight, the ice roller, I'm giving away that one since I already had one, and then we also had the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. So this was our premium box. Let us add up the value. Woo! Okay, so this time around we got $225 in value for the box, which is actually 50 bucks more than their estimated value that you're supposed to get for the box, which is really cool. I mean, it was definitely a really fun box. I think I ended up being able to create a really fun look. Something that I definitely haven't done in a while since, you know, quarantine. Haven't gone out anywhere. So it was really fun to just sit down and play with some fun, colorful makeup again. Does give me a lot of anticipation though for my other Boxycharm boxes this month though, because I got Boxy Luxe coming in, and then of course I have the regular base box. So gonna have to see what comes inside of those ones. Let me know what you guys thought of this month's premium box down below, and which box you're getting this month. But that is where I'm gonna be wrapping up today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!